Hey guys, welcome back in WordPress tutorial series, and today I'm going to show you how can you update content or images in your website. Suppose you had made website from any web developer and now you want to update content yourself, then you can. Simply first log in with the credential detail which your developer provide you. After login, when you view your website, you will see the edit option on the top of the website. So you can edit each page after just login on this edit option. When you click on this option, you will see the page editor like this. In the top left side, you will see the small plus icon. Just click on it and you will see multiple options are available there. Suppose you want to edit some content or you want to add new content, then just click on the classic editor option and then paste your content there. Now you can also make some formation, like you can change the alignment of the content. You can also add the block quotation. You can add the headings there, list, images, gallery, videos, and many options are available there. So you can try it by yourself. Then just click on the update option and then view your page. You can also edit each page from the dashboard. Here you will see the page and the post option. When you click on the page option, you will see all the pages are listed there. You need to just move the mouse over the page name and then you will see the edit option there. Just click on that and then you will see your page editor. But remember one thing, it will not work on the front page. It means you cannot change the layout of the front page because it is customized separately using the template or the different layout. But the content will be reflect if any page called in the front page. Suppose you can see about us and services. If you will change the content of this page, then it will also reflect on the front page. Let's try. I'll click on the about us page and then edit this page. Now I'm going to change the content of the about us and then update it. Now view the about us page and then also refresh the front page. You will see the content is reflected in the front page. Now same as for images, just click on the about us page and in the right side you will see the feature image option. Here you can change the image for about us. I'll change the image and then update it. Now again I will refresh the front page and you will see the images updated. So you can change the images for all the pages and all the posts. Now if you want to create image galleries, so first you need to install a photo gallery plugin. As you know that WordPress provide multiple plugins, but I will suggest photo gallery plugin. It is best plugin. So as you can see, I have already installed it and in the right side you will see the photo gallery option. Just click on it. Then you will see the add new option. Click on it and it will ask you to add the gallery name. So first add your gallery name and then upload images. You can also upload images from your desktop and or media library. So I will choose images from its media library and then you can also edit the title and description for these images. After that just publish it. Next go to the gallery page and then click on the edit page option. Same as in the top side you will see small plus icon. Just click on that and then you will see the small photo gallery icon there. After clicking on that, it will ask you to choose the gallery name which you have created. I'll choose this gallery because I have created this gallery. And then you can also change some settings here, like you can change the size of the images and like you can also choose how many images you want to show in the post or in the page. And then after that just click on the insert option. When you insert it, just click on the update option and then you can view your page. So thank you guys, hope it will be helpful for you. Keep watching for more interesting topics.